Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to grant apps access to Google account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Gmail account and click on your profile and click on manage your Google account and click on security. Scroll down and here you will find this option, less secure app access. All you have to need, we need to turn on this option, so click on turn on access. Allow less secure apps, and it's right now disabled, so I'm going to enable this. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.